Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to link an external bank account to GO2Bank. If you don't have a GO2Bank account, we will put our affiliate link in the description below for you to sign up and get $50. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email address and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs on the left side menu. Click on Bank Transfer. On this tab, you will see an option that says Link a New Account. Click on Link a New Account. So here you will see several information. After reading, click on Link a Bank Account. Now, it will inform you that GO2Bank uses Plaid to connect your account. To proceed, click on Continue. First, select the bank you wish to link. Next, enter your bank account credentials. Then click on Submit. To verify your identity, select how you wish to receive the security code, either via text or email. Once you receive the code, enter it. Then click on Submit. Lastly, select the account to share with GO2Bank. Then click on Continue. And now your bank account has been linked. That's how you link an external bank account to GO2Bank. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.